1934 Chevrolet DB closed cab pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-tone color combination with the green and black. Wire wheels, wide white wall bias ply tires. Underneath the hood, Era Correct inline 6-cylinder. It's actually a 206.8. I guess I've heard them called both 206s and 207s. 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up front from the bumper to headlight buckets. Headlight surrounds, I should say. Black buckets. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Take a little closer look at that wheel. Then, of course, the side mount spare. There are a few imperfections in the paint. Typical spot up here on the hood where the hinge is, up and down it if you can see. Paint has a nice shine to it though. The black fenders and running boards. And a spot back here where it had peeled some. Wood bed. There's miscellaneous receipts from some restoration work done on this truck that'll go along with it, and that's from 2015 as far as the receipts go. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this truck for a drive just like usual. Show you how it goes down the road, and once again, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these early 30s pickups, whether it be Ford, Chevy, what have you, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. It's be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, parades. Great parade truck. Let's check out this interior. Black vinyl bench seat. This is a 6-volt system yet. Nice running truck. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it. Should have choke and throttle up top here, if you can see that. We're not going to need to do either one with it indoors here. Of course, the push button on the floor. This baby always starts right up. Every time I have got it running anyway. So you can see oil pressure coming up, so the oil pressure gauge is working. Fuel gauge went up to half when I turned the key on. Otherwise, we got an amp meter. Water temp, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that water temp to be up. And again, oops, let me close that door, right? And again, a inline 6-cylinder, Era Correct. Let's take a listen to it. Sounds like you'd expect. 206.8 cubic inches if you're being technical. 206 or 207 is usually what you'll hear them call. Let me go ahead and pause this. I'll get one of the sides of the hood open. Let's take a peek at the engine bay. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the engine from both sides. Shows the passenger side just because I know it had newer plugs and wires, as you can see. I believe these were considered that old stove bolt. Of course, a single carb. You'll be able to see on the other side there. Also a horn that is in working order. Running pretty smooth. 1934 Chevrolet DB model enclosed cab pickup. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Where you can check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this may qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate, though, first, and stick around just a bit longer. Jason will take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1934 Chevrolet pickup truck. Looking good, green with some lighter green wheels. This is a manual transmission. Smooth running truck. Just set the choke a little bit, starts right up. Fuel gauge is showing a half a tank, oil pressure just under half. Speedometer is reading 30 miles an hour. I'm keeping her a little slower so you can hear me a little better. Amps are charging over halfway on the gauge. Water temperature says 170 approximately. 160 to 170. Vacuum operated windshield wiper, which I do not have moving at the moment. This windshield will prop out forward. Very cool feature on these old cars and trucks. This one does have a crack in it. Good condition seats. The rest of the glass also looks in good condition. Goes down the road nicely. Up at least to the roundabout so you can see it in a corner. Back when vehicles were simple, you got a wooden floor. Some of the framing is wood on these cars and trucks. A little bit of fuel, a little bit of spark, and that's all you need. Waiting for one car. There we go. Very easy to shift. The clutch feels good. Corners nicely. Very cool truck. You see Fords. You don't see as many Chevrolets. This is a very beautiful truck. Take a look at all the pictures over at uniqueclassiccars.com.